Yes, guys, you can see these fantastic mug wraps, guys, here. I want to show you exactly how to get templates for your 11 ounce and your 15 ounce templates, which are the most popular size for mugs, real quick on Canva. And I'm going to show you also some bonus tip on how to actually create the design really quickly using AI with the exact size. So you got the exact size there too as a bonus, guys. But as usual, love digital products, self-creating, researching, listing, all that. Mad. Let's see stuff. Then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And yeah, let's get on to this madness. So look, how we get the exact size, guys, I want to show you something real quickly. If you go to something called Printify, which is my third-party print on demand, it gives you literally the exact size you need. So do check out the links in my description. So if I go to catalog home and I want to get a mug, right? If I go to mug, let's say I want an 11 ounce. Okay, so mug, usually they come up first. This is a bestseller, boom, 11 ounce ceramic mug. Now, let's say I want to do a good design on here. What's beautiful about this is it can give you the exact size you need. So if I wanted to go to upload, if you look here on the left side, you can see the size area is 2475 by 1155. So if you want to have a Canva template already in place for this 11 ounce, all you need to do is go to Canva and go to, let's get out of this one, go to create design. Actually, no, sorry. Go to custom size. And in custom size, you go to the size that we just looked at, 2475 by 1155, right? 2475 by 1155, yeah? 1155. Create design, right? Create design. Now this gives me, look, this is the exact size for an 11 ounce template. So all you need to do is click on the title, call it 11 ounce template. And that way you have the exact size that you want. And then similarly works the same way. If I wanted to do the 15 ounce, I'll just do mug. Let's do 15. Should come up. Oh, sorry. I just do mug 15. It'll come up. It always does, man. And here's a 15 ounce, right? Bigger size. If I go to design, if I want to say do a design, and I can verify this as well, by the way. So like if I go to upload, let's say I want to upload the site, this area is slightly different. It's 2475 by 1275. So again, I can do the similar sort of thing. Go back here, go to custom size, make sure I got the right size because it's important for my 15. 2475, man. 247. Oh, it's there already. Oh, yeah, it's just the height that's going to be different. Correcto mondo, man. Yeah, that one's going to be different. 1275. Yeah, 1275. Okay, 1275. Yeah, that is my okay, so this is my 15 ounce. There, obviously I'd call it, if I title it 15 ounce mug. So I got my template, and this one is going to be my 11 ounce mug, yeah? So any kind of designs you need to do, you can just jump on here and get it all there. Make sure that you got your size there. Obviously save these, yeah? So 11 ounce, 15 ounce, okay? Simple, right? Now, then what you need to do is, let's say you wanted to do a design. So I'm going to show you very quickly using AI, making sure that the size is correct, okay? So jump onto something called MYDESIGNS AI. I'm going to show you something real quick. So I'm going to jump onto something called MYDESIGNS real quick and show you just very quickly how you would actually get the size correct, let's say from MYDESIGNS. And this is exactly the same principle. So I could say, I want to do some design, right? But make sure that it's a 15 ounce star. I want to do skull and sunflower pattern, okay? And then I'm going to do dash, which is aspect ratio. And just make sure that the 15 ounce size I'm getting right, 2475 by 1275 pixels, okay? 1275 pixels, okay? Because that's going to be the size of the 15 ounce mug wrap. So the design will be the same, the correct size, okay? And then what will happen is it will give me the mug wrap sizing, mug and sunflower designs. Let's say I want this skull and sunflower style. Now what I definitely do is make sure that you upscale it. Okay, so what I do, let's say I like one of these, which is, I don't know, could be number 2. Let's say I like number 2 design. So then I've just clicked on it and then I can upscale it by 4. Okay, upscale it 5:4. So how we're going to validate and verify that this is all good and it all works? Obviously, once I've upscaled it, meaning that make sure that the resolution is fabuloso, I'm going to put it onto the template so you can see how it fits really nicely onto the Canva template. And actually, you might even put it on my print on demand just to show you that Okay, so once you upscaled it and you got that fantastic quality, that amazing resolution there, what you want to do is open browser. Look at the quality, it's absolutely fabulous. And then what we want to do is go to save image as, save in your documents. And then, you know, if you wanted to put it, don't forget, this is the 15-ounce size that we did. So if you wanted to upload it, you can see that the design, I can upload the design onto the template, onto the Canva template. Where is it now? Where are you, mate? There you are. Click open. It's going to open it up for me. There you go. You can see the size already, like from just looking at it. You know, it's absolutely fantastic. It's in proportion. Look at it. When I stretch it out, it will nicely, without any distortion, stretch out on the canvas, which is exactly what we want. We want to make sure that it stretches nicely without any, see, perfectly. All right, there you go. And then you can obviously download it as a PNG, mate. But also what you can do is, look, if you wanted to do a print on demand, you want to sell it also not only as a digital wrap, but as a physical product, right? So you go to my device. Where's the design gone? Where are you, mate? So weird, it disappeared. Yeah, so what you do, you just download it, right? Download it as a PNG. PNG, mate, downloaded, mate. Okay? And then also once you downloaded it, you can actually go to Printify, where if you wanted to sell it as a physical mug, go to my device. You've already got the right size. Click on it, upload it. It's going to upload right now onto Printify. It's just, I guess, another way if you're selling your physical products as well as the digital, or if you got another store. But you can see, look, it's a high-res image, and you can see that the design fits absolutely fantastically well in the area. You can see it's a high-res image, 300 DPI, perfectly workable. And then you can see that your design gives you an idea of what your product would look like, man, if you sold it as a physical mug. It's also nice to see in terms of a mock-up, really, how it could look. Yeah, and then you get to see what your mug would look like what your design, would look like on a mug. But yeah, you can see that's exactly how to do it. It's very simple. Yeah, that's it, guys. So that's how you get your design on Canva template, get your Canva template, and even if you want to put it on a physical mug straight away. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.